complete data science? Nothing. Only these 5 activities. If you know these 5 activities, that's it. Data science is completed. Data science is completed. What is the first point? Import. If you take any business, the data is not available in one place. For example, everyone aware of one of the retail chain that is called as Amazon.in, right? And also everyone aware of Amazon.com, right? Yes or no? Yes. And everyone aware of it, Amazon.co.uk, right? So what these all applications? Business owner is same or not? Business owner is same. But how many applications we have? I written only 3 actually. I written only a 3, but we have a number of applications in the backend. These all 3 applications, let us say if I go here, if I place one order, it has to store backend in one table or not? Here also if I am placing order, it is going to store in one table or not? Is it that order, this order is storing in the same table? May not be. May not be. It's not possible also. The reason, money we are paying here rupees, they are paying here dollars. And under the money column, if I store 20 rupees, if I store $20, it won't look good. Address data is different. Everything is something problem. The distance we are going to calculate here kilometers mainly. They're going to calculate the miles. For Indian guy, if you say, hey, you have to travel 20 miles, means what this guy is talking, you'll see, because you don't know the mile word. If you go for USA, 20 kilometers means that may not be familiar with them. Local language terminologies are important here. So what I am trying to say is, in any business we have a number of applications may be possible. Each application may be storing the data into one particular database or one particular format. Or he placed one product and you want to take the feedback. He sent to all the people. In that there is a one section called as comment. What is that? 5-star rating is available, everything is available. Apart from that one, please provide your comment lines about this. He written, this product is excellent. He written, this product awesome. What is excellent? What is awesome? This guy written, this product is very good. This guy written his own local mother tongue language, which may be Telugu or which may be Hindi, which may be something else. He written in that language. He written, I don't want to speak those other things. You know that, right? He written in that language. He written. Now I am a business analyst. Now I want to see. I don't know what is his mother tongue. That mother tongue things I don't want. I don't know. First, what you have to do? You have to import and you have to convert this into the generalized format. End of the day, I want to know the sentiment of this product. He given very good rating, that's marks is, let us say, +5. He given very bad, that marks is, let us say, -5. The sentiment analysis for these two feedbacks is 0. It is neutralized. -5 +5 neutralized, right? 2 very goods I got, 1 very bad I got, then sentiment is +5. Before going for this marking, I have to convert this awesome one word is available, that into the very good I have to convert it. So I have to do here one activity that is called as what? Import. Thereafter what I have to do? I have to clean the data. Importing, I have no limitations in my data science. Anything you give it, I will import it. I mean to say, let me open my document, data science with R. It's a classroom notes. and two classroom notes we have here. One is data science with Python. Second is what? Data science with R. These are the two open source tools which are available to execute the data science. Data science is not a software, it is a concept. It is a concept. To achieve that concept, we have the so many softwares. One is R, second is Python, third is SAS, a number of things. However, the famous in the market is first rating goes to Python, second rating goes to R. Are you getting my point? Yes. That's the reason we are concentrating only on those two things. One is Python, second is R. Let me show you import meaning what here. Let us go and try.